Welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to download your resume from Indeed. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type indeed.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I've already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. Once you've logged in, something like this will open up. And this is the homepage. Now let's simply try to download our resume. At the very top, on the rightmost section, lies your profile. Simply click on it. Then this will open up. There are many options like profile, resume help and everything. You can also sign out from right here. Let's simply go to our profile. The button's at the very top. Now this is my Indeed profile. Do note that there are lots of other options below as well. You just need to look at it. Here's my resume, so I'm gonna click on it. Then this will open up. Here's my resume right here. Complete, but it is what it is. And next to this searchable icon, there's an eye like this. Lies the three dots. That's more. Simply click on it. Then this will open up. Let's simply hit on download right now. And well, as you can see, our resume has downloaded. Let's simply open it. And guys, there you go. That's how you download your resume from Indeed. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.